As you scroll down, you'll see that there's the ability to add weekly revenue. You'll hit the gear icon in the top right hand corner, and you will basically put in how much revenue you've earned from the start of the year. So from January, how much have you earned? And then how much do you want to set as a goal for the rest of the year? So it doesn't matter when the year starts, where you are in the year. So from the 1st of January, how much have you earned? And then you're going to adjust your goal basically. You're going to hit adjust, and it's going to break down the weekly and the monthly targets that you need to get to hit your goal. Each week, you're going to scroll down and you're just going to put in how much revenue you've earned for that week. So you can see here, we're on week 46. It shows you just there, and put in 1,500. And then you'll hit add weekly revenue. It will take you to the second tab. So on the very bottom of your screen, you'll see there's like a revenue log, and it will show you week 44, 45, 46, and you will be able to log how much money you've earned. So you can go back, you can add revenue from previous weeks as well. And then it will take you back to the revenue log again. And we'll just do it again. And it takes you back to the revenue log. And we'll do it one last time just to add number 42, 42nd week. And then you'll put in your weekly revenue. And it takes you to your log. In this log here, you can actually adjust the revenue by hitting the like pencil edit icon. And then it will give you a running log of your goal and where you were at with your revenue. So just to summarize, the first part of this revenue log is how much have you already earned this year starting from the 1st of January. So you're going to want to know that roughly. Then once you've entered how much you've earned already this year starting from the 1st of January, you're going to say, how much do you want to earn in total this year starting from the 1st of January? So it doesn't matter if you've already earned 30 grand, what's the total amount that you want to earn all of the year? And then you're going to enter that amount, hit adjust, and it's going to give you a weekly and a monthly goal. And then what I recommend is each week you just go in and log your the money that you take in to your business, and this just allows you to keep a log of how you're progressing. Not everyone has good accounting and other software, so this is a really good alternative that you can just log your revenue personally and privately every single week. Hope you enjoyed. Peace.